Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Eero Wi-Fi running slow, speed boost tips, placement and setting fix. Fix 1 is restart your Eero network. Unplug your modem and all Eero devices, then wait for about 60 seconds. Plug the modem back in and wait until it's fully online. Plug your main Eero back in, then turn on any additional Eeros unit after the main one is connected. Second one is check your internet speed. Open the Eero app, run the built-in speed test if available. Compare the result with the speed plan from your internet provider. If the speed is much lower, restart your modem or contact your ISP. Third one is move your Eero to a better location. Place your main Eero in a central location, then keep it on a table or shelf instead of the floor. Keep it away from thick walls, metal objects, TVs and microwave. Leave some open space around the device for better signal coverage. Fourth one is update Eero software. Open the Eero app, then go to settings, then tap software update. Install any available update. Wait for the network to restart. Fifth one is remove and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open Wi-Fi setting on your device, then select your Eero Wi-Fi network. Choose forget network, then connect again using your Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching.